Good morning, good people. Decided to come on this morning. We're going to look at PCE. We're going to look at PCE live. For those of you that don't know, my name is Larry Jones. This is Stock Up with Larry Jones. Join us by hitting that like, subscribe, and that notification bell. All right, good people. Let's get it going. I don't see everything. I don't know what's going on. All right, there we go. All right, good people. There we go. All right, we got a PCE numbers coming up. Let's see what's going on here. All right, let's look at the indices. We got a minute left before the numbers come out. As we can see, the Dow is up, right? We got the Dow up. We can see the numbers right here. The Dow's up by 57 points. S&P is up 38 points, and the NASDAQ is roaring at 172 points positive at this time. Let's go back and see if we could get what's going on here. All right, come on in. Here we go.
Hey there, my investing curious friends. Welcome to Opening Bid. I'm Brian Sazza, Yahoo Finance's executive editor. Thank you for joining us either on YouTube, Yahoo Finance, or Spotify. Now let's make some money. Joining me today is Truist Co-Chief Investment Officer and Chief Market Strategist Keith Lerner. Also here's a friend of Opening Bid, Yahoo Finance's very own Inez Ferre. We have three topics to rip apart in this episode. Number one, why your stock portfolio may...
That ain't what's happening. All right, let's get to these numbers. All right, I know they're out. They won't let us air this stuff, so I'm going to cut it on so we can hear it.
For the March PCE inflation data, Rick Santelli is standing by. Rick, take it away. Market's up ahead of the number.
Yes, we are waiting for, of course, the personal income spending, all the associated inflation metrics. This is a March number looking for roughly up 0.5% on income, and it delivers up 0.5%, up 0.5% on income, a 0.8 on spending or consumption. And the 0.8 is definitely warmer than expected. It actually equals our last look, and our last look, that was the best since January of 23. So back-to-back 0.8% on spending. Of course, revisions still may be forthcoming. If we look at inflation-adjusted consumption or spending, called real personal spending, it's also up more than expected, up 0.5%. Up 0.5% equals December of last year. To find a bigger number, you have to go to January of last year. Now, let's look at the deflator, month over month, personal consumption expenditure deflator. Expected up 0.3, delivers up 0.3. In the rear view mirror, up 0.3. The deflator year over year expected up 2.6. Our first number that's hotter than expected, up 2.7. In the rear view mirror, still unrevised, up 2.5. To find a bigger number than up 2.7, you're looking at October of last year. Now let's look at the deflator month over month, and this is a core number, expecting up 0.3. It is up 0.3. Back-to-back 0.3. Finally, the year-over-year core deflator, also another year-over-year number and another one hotter than expected, up 2.8. We're looking for 2.7. This was a very talked about number, maybe the most talked about out of all of them, and it equals our last look, which was 2.8, and 2.8 actually was the lowest. To find a lower number, you're going back to March of 21, so back to back. The only issue is, and of course, I'm sure many will say, making huge progress. The reality is it's stalling, and that is the issue. Nobody's arguing that progress hasn't been made. The issue is, what have you done for me today? And we do see some of these inflation numbers remaining sticky, albeit at lower levels than a few years ago, which doesn't mean there's no inflation. There's just less of it creeping in every month. Becky, back to you.
Excellent recap, Rick. Stay with us. We're going to bring in a few more voices on this data. Stephanie Kelton is Stony Brook University economics professor. Allison Schrager is...
All right, we'll take it. We will take it. As we could see, the numbers are still up. Look at that. We're still positive. This is what we wanted after yesterday. Let's look at a few things, all right? Let's look at Microsoft. Look at Microsoft, good people. And this is, of course, before opening bell. In the pre-markets, Microsoft is up 4%. Man, these earnings have been actually really, really good. Look at Google. Google is up 11%. Let's look at Tesla, TSLA. Look at Tesla. Tesla's pretty flat. Let's look at Meta. What did Meta land at? Where did Meta land? I'm typing with my left hand, good people. You guys know I'm right-handed. I don't know how you lefties do it. I know you're the only one left in your right minds. All right. So we got Meta is up by 1%. Look at that in the pre-markets. Remember, we started buying Meta. Listen, good people. This is when you add to your long positions. I know a lot of people that are into options, but at some point you have to add to your long positions. I will get to you guys in a minute. You have to add to your long positions. You don't want to do like so many novices do by trading their way to broke or just trading. Most will trade their way even over a period of 10 years. If you truly want to build generational wealth, then you need to invest in some blue chip companies like these. All right. We can see here. Look at that. Meta. I started buying at $4.19. And it's $4.41, and I bought a lot of it, right? Tesla, I showed you guys where I bought Tesla at, right? We bought Tesla at $140. When? Was that a month ago? No, just before earnings, right? So we bought Tesla at a cheap price, so we are up with Tesla. Look at Google, all right? I didn't add to Google. Wish I had. It's up 11%, but I've been DCAing all year with Google. These, when tech takes a hit, I start to buy more. When tech starts rising, I buy less, but I still buy, good people, right? And then at Microsoft, we can see it's up 4% in the pre-markets, okay? So this one is not going to be long. I just wanted to come and share this news with you. This is good news after a day like yesterday. So I need to see what the numbers are. Let me see if I could pull those up now. I'm pretty sure that they're coming over now. Let's see. Oh, yeah. There we go. Let me do this. This is the thing about live. Let's see. Here we go. News today. They won't let us air this stuff anymore. We get flagged. All right. Well, it'll come in. All right. It'll come in. I need live. They'll pop up. All right. So let me talk with you guys for a few, and then we'll just end it. Right. I'll make another one later today. Hey, good morning, good people. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'm sorry, like button. You guys are already subscribed. I know that. What's up, family? Hey, good morning. Happy Friday. Always on that $5 a day, David T. You know it. We stay prepared. Yes, sir. Good afternoon. Oh, you in Nigeria. Hey, my Nigerian brothers and sisters. Man, you guys need to send for me. I need to come to Nigeria, right? You guys get a group of guys together and let's see what we could do, okay? I want to come to Nigeria, all right? I want to come there and teach for a week. So let's line something up over there in Nigeria. Lisa J, good morning. It's good. It's all good in the hood, as they say. We will take that. We can see here. Let's see here. Boom. We could see here, even in the pre-markets, it's basically unchanged. See here, the Dow still positive 36, S&P 34, and then the NASDAQ is 148. So we're still good. These were good numbers. It actually showed that inflation is slightly cooling off. So we're getting a mixed bag. Stagflation, sticky inflation in one area, but the PCE numbers are cool, actually. Yep. PCE Top of the morning. Yes. Yes, I got brothers from Africa. All right, all right. Hey, good morning. Good morning, good people. Listen, it's Friday and the month is running out. For those of you that did not fund your moo, the only way you're going to get 7, look at that, 7 free stocks, right? For, look at that, 7 fractional shares of free stock for a small deposit of $100. You know what? I'll tell you what the biggest part of this is. For those of you that just have a regular savings account and you're getting 0.01%, you can get 5% on your uninvested money. So go ahead and download Moo today. And then you guys already know, everybody, if if you've been taking Stock Up You and you have been learning, leave me a coffee cup. It's just that simple, right? And then we are killing it with crypto. You know what? Let's look at crypto, good people. Let's look at crypto right quick. Let's pull up the crypto bubble and see where it is. For those of you that don't know crypto, look at that. Crypto trades 24. Look at that. We love to see green, all right? Now for the day, it's still pretty much green. For the hour, we're all green, good people. So the PCE data is very favorable for the stock market and the crypto market on today, Friday. Okay. All right. I'm going to leave it right there. That's it. Good morning. Good morning. Can't wait for day. It's going to be good. Okay. Okay. Hey, aloha. Good morning. Hey, listen, I want you guys to know, look, I want you to have a blessed day today on Friday. Why? Because you choose to have it, okay? I choose to have a good, blessed day, and that's what I'm going to do in spite of. And I've had a lot of bad news this week. I will be sharing it with you guys later. But you know what? I woke up this morning after praying last night and saying, I'm going to have a good day today. And I want you guys to do the same. If you could make it happen, I can personally tell you that would be an experience. I used to do 3 months, didn't want to leave. Oh, that's cool, man. That's cool. Yeah, I really want to do that. Yep. Oh, man, they're showing me love from Somalia. Man, I just want to come there, man. And listen, not only there, I'll leave by saying this. This is the year, I don't know how I'm doing it, but I'm going to attempt to shoot a documentary. I'm launching another line of business. You guys are actually going to love it. I've been talking about it, and I'm going to keep you guys involved with everything. But I want to go to the steel mills. I want to get a group of truck drivers. I want to go to West Virginia. I want to go to anywhere where there's underserved communities. And I want to do that in the next 18 months. And so we're going to make that happen. And I know somebody is going to say, hey, be careful. But, we can't have true change until we get to the people that we need to change. Because a lot of these countries, cities, and communities are underserved. And I know somebody may say, yeah, we all have the same opportunities. That's not the truth. Because the truth is, when I was a kid, I didn't even know this existed. You see what I'm saying? Because the teachers won't teach you. They won't let it get taught in school. And we have to gain access. And so you can't see what you can't see. But when I saw people doing it, now I could see that I could do this. All right. You go to these communities, especially these blighted communities, and you show people this is what you can achieve and this is what you can be, then they start to shoot for that. But if you only show them the bad, that's all they see. All right. All right, good people, I'm going to leave it right there. I'm not going to start preaching this morning. Y'all going to say, Larry's preaching this morning. No, I'm not. All right. I love you guys. Start in Mississippi. Man, I got people in Mississippi. Man, I got people in Jackson, Canton. Y'all don't know nothing about Canton. Y'all don't know nothing about Canton, Mississippi. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Yeah, I'll gladly, come to the schools, Southside, Jamaica, Queens. Man, listen, I would love to come to Queens. This Monday, I'll be in New York. I would love to come to Queens, talk to the school system, talk to whatever school it is, and let's do it. I'm serious, all right? With some music. Larry finished the video with some music. You know what? I'm gonna do just that, okay? All right, I love you guys. We'll see you later today. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Can't find it. Man, boy, it's crazy. I'm sorry, man. I can't even, it won't even pull up. It won't even pull up the music. That's crazy. I'm sorry, good people. Let me try it. Nope, won't do that either. It won't pull up anything. It's crazy today, good people. I'm gonna have to leave it right there. Sorry, I wanted to start it with some good music. That would have been a great deal. You need to, hold on, you need to come. Hey man, I want to come to London. I'm serious. I absolutely want to come to London, man. And I know I have a big following over there, man. But listen, I need you guys to help me set this stuff up. I know no one in London. I've never been to London. You know, I've been to other countries, but I've never been to London. I've been to the UK, but I haven't been to London. All right. Wiggins, Mississippi. I appreciate you. Yep. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, Ryan. Listen, we finish with the music. Man, I wish I could. We need some Baton Rouge. Yeah, man. Man, I come to Baton Rouge to eat. Listen. Talk to the school. Oh, and we're talking about the UK. I just need a group. We need a place together. We just need to find a place. And I need someone over there to just gather a group. And the next time I come live, just come on, say, hey, I'm getting a group together. I don't care if it's couples. But if you could get into a school or something like that, that's the easy way to do it. Find a high school, show them my page, tell them I will come and sit and teach. And I'll do that, okay? All they have to do is send for me. Listen, and when I come there to the schools, they don't have to pay me a fee. Not all you guys, all right? I'm talking about Africa, I'll come. You don't have to pay me a fee. Just take care of my expenses, and I'll waiver the fee. We got to get serious about doing this, okay? Driving trucks out of steel mills, junkyards, houses, Louisiana. Listen, let me tell you something. Truck drivers, listen, I'm telling you guys are when you see these truck drivers, man, probably 80% of the things that are in your house, a truck driver brought it to you. You guys better appreciate these truck drivers. This country would shut down without truck drivers. Y'all need to understand and start appreciating the people that are serving us from day to day. Man, let me get out of here. Y'all gonna start me to preaching, man. Y'all gonna start me to preaching. Hey, I love you guys. Love somebody else. Rinse and repeat.